My name is Ashley Kaiser. I'm a packaging materials account manager. My department helps to source the adhesive, shrink film, and corrugated pads and trays that our customers run on Delkor's packaging systems. I would really describe Delkor as a family. I've built a lot of really great relationships here, and I enjoy working with these people each day. I don't know if you could say there's really an average day. There's a lot of variety in our department, and we're constantly adapting to the new challenges. Something fun that I worked on recently was a large-scale project rolling out a new materials product line. We got to work really closely, hand in hand, and collaborate with both our customer as well as the supplier to vet and test the product. And then we also worked really closely with our technicians on site at Delkor, training them and making sure that they could become the experts that our customers need out in the field. What keeps me motivated is really just being part of the team. I love the variety of challenges and problems to solve each day. We have a great team, and in our department, we actually enjoy collaborating to solve our customers' problems. I think some of the key traits for success at Delkor are definitely being a team player and being someone who's not afraid to think outside the box or try new things. Advice that I would give someone coming into Delkor is to have an open mind. Delkor is a place where you don't have to be afraid to change directions or share ideas, and all those things can lead to really new, exciting opportunities. What makes me proud to work at Delkor is that we get to be a part of the success of so many other much larger companies all across the country, and that's really cool. The people are awesome. I think anybody here at Delkor would tell you the same thing. It's a bunch of creative and fun people, and that's really what makes Delkor what it is, and it breeds a really great culture.